They say give yourself to others, be giving. Be giving what they
Alright, y'all, what up? Another skate shoe review. This guy, I don't know if I've got any pictures of him, but if I do, I'm gonna put him up right now. But this DC shoe, insert name somewhere in these ethers. But alright, so a little backstory. Don't really remember the backstory, but I know I've had them for a while. I was digging them because they were all red, so I was just using them for like fashion purposes. And then I ran out of shoes to use for skating, so voila! Alright, and to use these for skating. They worked out alright, they still were pretty decent. The only reason I retired them at this point is because the bottoms are starting to get a little smooth, and I ain't about that life when I'm trying to jump off my board and run down a ramp and it just slides. None of that life. Then also, where is it? This guy's starting to try to talk up a little bit. I don't know if I can get my finger through there, but I don't know. It's not all the way through yet, but I'm not trying to lose socks over that guy. So, but besides that, these sides did pretty well, holding up with my kick flips. I started almost getting through. Of course, I'm goofy, so you can kind of see that. But throughout the life, it still held up. That bottom is really what got me, and it's kind of, I don't know if anyone else knows, but the bottom of DCs, their soles are kind of thin. So when things start getting really like low on the gum, you can really start feeling the board and everything, and that's good and bad. Like, it's mainly bad, but so like I even have my own special shoe cushions in there because it just wasn't good. So quick review, number review. Out of 10, I give these bad boys, I can't even call them bad boys. I mean, they do what they need to do, and they get out. But they're not bad boys. They're 7. Actually, no. 6.5. 6.5. Better than average, but not enough for me to try to do it again. So, thanks for watching. Where's my other shoe? Oh, right here. The next shoe review will be these guys. Give me a quick one because I literally skated for a day, and I'm sure you can see in the quick overview of why they were done. So, thanks for watching. Till next time, peace, subscribe, and thank you. Much love. Bye.